Yes.
My lord, already I have served the copy on which I am relying against the second one accused person, my lord.
There is no
There are 16 witnesses. I have taken 161 statement of 16 witnesses, my lord. I have the second postmortem report on which I am relying.
Kindly cease.
Achha.
But on the last occasion, I had indicated to your lordship that what are the admissible materials they are going to show, my lord, for the framing of charges. As such, my lord, there is nothing on record, my lord, which would bring the admissibility, my lord, of this other lady, my lord, who is before your lordship.
No, just tell me one thing.
Yes, my lord.
Who is she?
Your lordship would recall, my lord.
Who is
that
the other side?
he was
My lord,
supposed,
I am appearing on behalf of the state, my lord.
he was supposed to be ready, my lord, because I had told your lordship this was with regard to the death of the lady, my lord, whose second postmortem showed injuries. My lord, there were two persons who were charged treated. One died out of mob lynching, the other lady, my lord.
Join over, yes.
My lord, already I have served the copy on which I am relying against the second one accused person, my lord.
There is no
There are 16 witnesses. I have taken 161 statement of 16 witnesses, my lord. I have the second postmortem report on which I am relying.
There are two things, my lord.
I cannot understood what is the issue with the petitioner, my lord.
My lord, he will not understand the law, my lord, then he will make submissions. So, my lord, I will have to make him understand. my lord.
এটা তো আছে তো অলরেডি নাকি এটা এটা বার করে দিন না
My lord, I am giving your lordship what they have relied upon your lordship. Kindly see.
আচ্ছা
But on the last occasion, I had indicated to your lordship that what are the admissible materials they are going to show, my lord, for the framing of charges. Because as such, my lord, there is nothing on record, my lord, which would bring the admissibility, my lord, of this other lady, my lord, who is before your lordship.
no, just tell me one thing.
Yes, my lord.
Admissibility part you leave aside.
Yes,
You tell me, you are is there any other material from statements you are getting that other persons are involved?
My lord, I'm telling your lordship. My lord, none of these statements, my lord, even for that matter, my lord, I'm being very candid with you, doesn't even involve the second lady because it's only reliant on by the co-accused person statement.
That is what I am that is what I have asked him to check.
Number one. Number two, my lord, the other problem, my lord, is that the charge sheet, they are saying they don't have a scope for further supplementary charge sheet. The second postmortem doctor, my lord, held an opinion that the investigating officer should consult with us so that we can have a final opinion with regard to the cause of death. Now, they are not doing anything further than that. But in
Wait.
this way,
Mr. Shahi,
My
and
lord,
your accused is who? That lady? কি নাম?
my lord,
Nomita Maiti.
Nomita Maiti. And
my
where is
lord.
evidence against Nomita Maiti in the statements?
There are, my lord, all 180 NSS are against the.
Where? Show me show me one statement, sir.
Please come to the page number 13 of my CD, my lord.
13.
From last 3 lines.
হ্যাঁ
ননদ অর্থাৎ অভিযুক্ত সুখচাঁদ মাইতির ছোট ভাইয়ের বউ নমিতা মাইতি অবৈধ সম্পর্ক কথা থুকু জেনে ফেলে এবং সেই থেকে সুখচাঁদ মাইতি ও নমিতা মাইতি প্রায় থুকুকে হুমকি এবং শাসিত দিত তাই সুখচাঁদ এবং নমিতা থুকু মেরে ফেলার পরিকল্পনা করে নমিতা মাইতি মাই লর্ড
and what are your charges?
What is the problem here?
What are your charges, sir?
302.
And then the murder case charged like this. So no eyewitness, only circumstantial evidence, and these two effect, you will be able to prove the case. You see, this is not a case. Anybody, this lady Nomita was not seen at the spot.
My lord.
So only motive factor is over here. Motive.
My lord.
Illicit relationship is a motive for commission of the offense.
My lord.
So how are you going to connect this lady now? Illicit relation is one factor, and that leading to the commission of the offense is another factor. How are you relating the two? You said Joynagar Base Police Station.
In Jayanagar, there are more development in Jayanagar PS, my lord. That is the
you ask your IO to come and explain that how that is what I was trying to understand from you. There is a motive. Very good. There is an incident. Now defense will take up the plea that these are coincidence. There was a illicit relationship and this lady died. Now how are you going to connect these two? What is the evidence over here? This is only I want to know. Otherwise, whole of this case efforts, thick papers will be wasted. They were efforts but I want this connection only. Chain between because see, the Sukhchand died, he was lynched. Now the trial will be against this
Nomita Maiti.
Nomita Maiti. Now there are discrete materials. Whether this because tomorrow Nomita will come for discharge application. I am telling you. How do you connect? I have not gone through. Last date when your IO was present, I said that ask him to show what is the connection link. It is a murder case after all. Circumstantial evidence that you have got to lead to that circumstance up to the offense being committed on the victim. এটা যদি না থাকে কি করে মামলাটা হবে? গল্প হতে পারে, but how is the case made out?
Let IO come, my lord. Please fix a date. I am calling him.
I don't require IO, sir. You understand. You understand from him. I will hear you only, sir. Because see, a case will be there. What will be there? There is a show of case be in the court below. 13 witnesses, so many documents at the end of the trial acquittal.
I agree, my lord.
This is what. Explain it to me. I'll just dispose of the matter. I've got nothing. I've got nothing to do, sir. Keeping a matter. I am not happy keeping matters with me. Just explain it to me. 13 witnesses. How are you connecting these accused with? You have given 103 as one of the sections. That means murder. How you're connecting murder and this Nomita Maiti with that? Only motive without reaching. Is very difficult to prove a case. Circumstantial evidence is very difficult to be proved, sir. So how much time do you require, sir? এই তো বারবার
2 days, my lord.
দিস এই সপ্তাহে করতে পারবে বারবার? Monday 24th I'm keeping the matter. আমি চলে গেলে আবার মনে
The same time. Oh, wait, sorry, my lord. This is not for 4 p.m. fixed matter.
No, this is a for
Put it
orders.
on Friday, my lord, if possible at your end, my lord.
Friday I'll take up the assigned matters applications that I could not touch for the last 2 months. Everybody is requesting. That is why Friday I am avoiding everything. Mr. Mukherjee Lane advocate appears on behalf of the petitioner and expresses his grievance in respect of the investigation after the same has been completed, and the copy were handed over by Mr. Sahil Lane advocate appearing on behalf of the state. Lane advocate for the state would advance his submissions after taking instructions from the investigating officer. List the petition under the same heading on 24th of March 2025.
Highly obliged, my lord.
এটা রেখে দিন আমাদের, হ্যাঁ, এখানে